The process begins as material is lifted from the transfer trolley using a monorail system. It is then transferred through the inlet into a fully encapsulated area. The rack input system moves inside and lifts the material, shifting it toward the treatment tanks. First, the material enters the degreasing tank to remove oil and contaminants. It is then transferred to the pickling tank for surface cleaning. After fluxing, the material moves into the dryer. Once inside, the jig hook is removed, the dryer door closes. The chain conveyor moves the material further inside. A crane then removes the dried material. Before galvanizing, ash is removed from the molten zinc kettle, and the zinc fume enclosure door is closed. The material is then dipped into molten zinc, where galvanization takes place. During this stage, a blower absorbs zinc fumes, while ash and excess zinc are removed through skimming. Remaining fumes are treated through a scrubbing system and released via the chimney. After galvanizing, the material is lifted from the zinc kettle and transferred by monorail into the quenching tank. Meanwhile, the jig is returned to the dryer for the next batch. The material undergoes quenching, completing the galvanizing process. Finally, the galvanized material is sent for inspection.